Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new XRP video. Right now 17.03% in green. It looks very nice. That's this candle over here. We are still outside of the triangle, so we're trying to get back into the triangle, and this 50 moving average, this yellow line, it might give us some kind of problem, so we're gonna see what's actually happening there. But right now everything is green, like 20% give or take. After yesterday's dump, you know, that's what happens. These kind of dumps are not sustainable. This is a 52% dump. It's not sustainable. Doesn't matter how big dump it is. 52% is never sustainable. So buying dips on these kind of dumps might actually work in your favor. That said, you never know. But as long as Bitcoin isn't dead, like, you know, technically it wasn't hacked, or some kind of quantum computer hasn't come out and killed the crypto algorithm, you know, crypto is all crypto is fine, but this is some kind of manipulation happening right now. I'm going to show you some kind of bullish signals that might actually be happening right over here. That said, these videos are going to be quite short because I gotta make a ton of videos today, keep the people updated. So let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening right over here with XRP. So you can see already here that we got some kind of support on the 100 moving average. After we being down, we came back above the 100 moving average, and right now we are sitting at 1.24, but we are still outside of the triangle. So we want to get back in the triangle and then continue maybe towards the upside. But to do that, we got a few resistances that we have to break. First one being down here, that we are actually resisting right now at 126. And after that, then we have the 50 moving average, 10 moving average, the triangle, and the 20 moving average. Sorry about that, but as you can see, we are on the way up. So what has to happen for us to get up back up there? On the 4-hourly chart, we are actually getting, you can see, on the dollar, we are hitting this 126 resistance right now, and we are trying to break the 10 moving average. So we are not quite there yet, unfortunately, but we are climbing, and we are looking to climb even further. So we're gonna see what's actually happening here. If we wanna get become a little bit bullish, the first thing we have to do is break this line of resistance on 126, and then there is this 20 moving average. This red line over here, that's the 20 moving average. We gotta break that as well. If we can break the 20 moving average, we are also technically inside the triangle, and that's gonna be super bullish for XRP right now. But at the moment where we are sitting right now, we are sitting at the resistance, and you know what I say, never buy resistance, buy supports. So as long as we are sitting here, I don't think we should be taking any kind of big action right now on XRP. We still have to climb a little bit up, at least above these bottoms down here, and then call it like, okay, now we are starting to become a little bit more bullish than that. Let's see what's happening on the 4-hourly with the technicals, and there is no divergence on the 4-hourly. On the 1-hourly chart, there is divergence, so that's why we are actually going up right now over here. You can see we are going up, but there was divergence here on the 1-hourly chart. The price was going down and the RSI was going up. So this is RSI divergence, and it is helping us climb some kind of moving averages right now. On the 1-hourly chart, the important moving average to watch for is the 50 moving average. That's the one over here. That's the yellow one. That's the 50 moving average on the 1-hourly chart. So we gotta get that to that point. But I think we're gonna break that first when this 10 moving average starts climbing and pushes us above the 50 moving average. So if we are going to get above this, I think we need to help with a 10 moving average to actually push the price upwards and then break it. So whether that's going to happen or not, we just have to follow and see what's actually happening. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see that we have actually managed to hold the 20 moving average on the weekly, which is 10 moving average on the weekly chart, which is very important. Also, we managed to hold 1.03. Now if on the weekly chart we actually managed to fall back and go below the 1.03, that would be actually terrible. I don't know how to explain, but that's not actually a good sign, because then you get this low and then you get lower low, and that's a bearish momentum, right? And we don't want any of that. But right now the big support is actually actually lying at 1.03, and as long as we keep that, that's gonna be fine. You can also see that yesterday we dumped all the way back down to the 20 moving average, but once we got to that point, we were so much oversold that we had to go back up, and everything went back up. Like some things went more than other things. XRP managed to climb yesterday some 39%, almost 40%. Up today is 63%. But if you look at coins like WeChain, for example, that thing climbed since yesterday over 200%. So some kind of gains were very possible and probable yesterday on the dip, and I know a lot of people today are looking for another dip so we can jump on that wagon, because they were quite unsure what's gonna happen down here. But once they're seeing this green candle and seeing this pullback, yeah, they're like, yeah, let's get another dip so we can get in and go back up. And when people want a second dip, that second dip kind of never happens. So I'm quite bullish right now. I think we have really good chance to breaking the 126 line and breaking this 10 moving average. If you start getting rejected over here, the target, or I don't want to say the target, but I'm gonna say the support that we are actually cannot break is this over here at 105. This on the 4-hourly chart. If we on the 4-hourly chart start going down over here, if we start going down and we close below the 105, that's this bottom down here. If we close below this bottom down here, we have to look for, number one, we have to look for if there is any divergence on the RSI. That means that when this price goes down, we have to see if this divergence, if there's divergence here, or if the price is following the RSI. If the price is following the RSI, then we might actually continue tumbling down. But if you get the divergence, that actually might be a super bullish sign, super bullish bottoming pattern, or bottoming divergence that we might actually abuse and go up higher. And right now you can see that we are climbing just a little bit higher right now, but there is still like 2 hours and 41 minutes left to actually be sure what's gonna happen up here. That said, not much actually happening with XRP. Everything is actually picking up, but XRP is still lying below the moving averages that we have to break, lying below the very important support down here. We already got this this low, lower low and lower low. So what we are looking for actually to get some kind of higher low to break this pattern of to the downside. Anyways guys, I'm gonna make another video tomorrow, so stop by, subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram group and all of that shebang, because tomorrow might actually also be a very good day. I don't know if you guys have heard, there have been some kind of insider talking about some kind of manipulation happening, saying that Bitcoin is gonna go to 70,000. Now if that happens, the bull run continues, we all good, and we should probably go and thank CoinSkid, because that guy actually is calling both the dump and the continuation up to the 250,000. So we're gonna see if that's gonna happen. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, see you around, bye bye.